Tonight we're going to take a few moments to show appreciation and gratitude to our local healthcare workers, as well as remember the 472 members of our community who had COVID and died. The event is an expression of community, a community that acknowledges the toll COVID has had on our healthcare workers and to mourn with the families who have lost loved ones.
Sister Cindy, who died of COVID and other complications a couple months ago. She was a wild and crazy person, but she pretty much lived the life she wanted to, but she could have taken a little bit better care of herself, but we miss her.
I'm thinking about how beautiful it is that we were all able to get together today to honor those that we've lost, not only in our community but around the entire world, and to honor all of our frontline workers and healthcare workers who have spent countless hours working to protect our community and those who have also lost their lives. I have lost more than a few members of my family. I've lost some friends, and I know many more people who have it and were fortunately survived it, but the amount of people who I have lost is more than anyone should have to deal with.
They were beautiful souls. They were grandparents, moms and dads, sons and daughters, friends and neighbors. Each one touched countless lives that made each of us whole and better people.
Out of the 470 that we have lost to COVID-19, I've lost 4 of my friends to this pandemic. I am the oldest of 5, and I've had 3 siblings that has been affected by COVID-19. COVID-19 is real. It is real and is here with us. So in order for us to unite together, we have to take care of each other. So one of the most important things that God gives us is the spiritual principle of love. So in loving myself, in turn, I love you. So in protecting myself, in turn, I protect you.
Lycoming County has, as of today, 26,090 residents have been tested positive for COVID-19. There have been a total of 530 deaths reported to my office since the spring of 2020. Now, our numbers are different because we have 5 hospitals now, and the deaths are all reported to my office, and those people didn't necessarily reside in Lycoming County. So that's the difference between 472 and 530 cases reported to my office. COVID has been a completely new twist that no matter what we did, it didn't seem like we were making an impact. However, we are. Numbers in the hospital at Geisinger are now 391, and 65 of those cases are in ICU, 49 of those people are on ventilators. UPMC currently has 45 people in the hospital, only 7 in ICU and 2 on ventilators. So those numbers are gradually coming down. So I think is the light at the end of the tunnel, hopefully, and we just have to keep plugging along here. Continuing to do what we've been doing, masking, vaccines. The folks that are, again, largely impacted, 78% of the individuals in Geisinger's system have been unvaccinated.
We should not look at life like this as complete loss, although we've lost much. We've lost so many people that we're hurting for. But this is also a time to look forward to hope. We need hope in our lives more than ever. That will sustain and help us, and by God's hand, we'll be a more hopeful people, a more patient people, and a more caring people as we lift each other up who are doing the daily work of sustaining life and keeping us going. Please remember each other and care for one another as we go forward.